Welcome back to another video. Here I'm going to show you how I wired these fog lights. I got them off eBay and they're pretty bright. So here's what we do. So it came with, it actually came with harnesses. If your Cruze already has harnesses already with that came with the car, like on the factory fog lights, you can actually plug and play these. However, I had the LS model, so it did not come with anything like that. So basically, they came with positive and negative wires, which I brought over through here, and I brought both the positives from the left and the right through this little area. This is a good place to bring wires from the engine bay to the cabin. So going in here, they go through that little area and they come out through here, and it goes into a switch that I got, which controls them like so. So I turn on the switch. You can see they're on, they're very bright. But in combination with the headlights, it looks very nice. Basically, like I said, both the positives going to the one side of the switch, and then one positive going out, which goes to the battery, which completes the circuit, which then goes out through here and then to the battery positive terminal. You can use the front ends. These connections go to the very back of the actual battery in the trunk, but you can use these as well. And then what I did to ground it, both of the negatives, if I can find them, both of the negatives I grounded to, you can use anything really that's metal. I chose, this is the side fender, this is metal. I believe this is unpainted as well. So what I did, I put the screw that's holding the fender in to tighten down both of the negative points, because they're just, I use it's like a butt joint ring connector that I used on these. So therefore, that's all you got to do really. Other than that, it's a little hard taking the bumper off because I made the wiring kind of short. But that's kind of a quick rundown of how I did it. If you have any questions, post comments in the comment section. I'll answer them as well. Thanks for watching.